Now let's demonstrate how to properly use the composite switch. The Comfy Cub Playpen is designed with 8 composite switches on top and 8 on the bottom. These are essential for shaping and securing your playpen firmly. First, let's make sure the button on the switch is unlocked. You will know the switch is unlocked when the button is clicked inward. Adjust the switch to your desired angle: 0, 45, 90, 180, or 270 degrees. When you've set it to the correct position, press the button to lock it in place. You will know the switch is locked when the button is clicked outward. Be gentle while adjusting the switch. Forcing it may damage the mechanism, jamming or making it difficult to lock or unlock. In the event that the switch button is jammed and doesn't respond to pressing or clicking, carefully use your thumb to apply gentle pressure on the button and simultaneously twist it. This method allows the button to reset into its correct position, ensuring safe functionality. Once you hear the button click back into place, the issue is resolved. If you have any further questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. Thank you and enjoy your new Comfy Cubs Playpen.